Comrade Nazareth, Gantu. It's too silly, man. Ish.
No wonder. Once a chicken, always a chicken. Ah! Ayesaba makwala. Entwana. Wena uchuna le ntwana ka. Yes?
Yeah, man.
Next, man. Leave us alone. Like since I
Hey, you watch it, bro.
So, Mchel, kumena ni Latin when a gorilla.
Yeah, well, it's not gorilla, it's guerrilla. Understand? Guerrilla. And I train in Moscow, not in the bush. You penny plus.
Oh, Moscow, ne? So, when you in Moscow?
It's cold as hell, bro.
Oh, so do you speak Russian?
No, man. The only Russian I embraced is an AK-47.
Cock. The only Russian he embraced is vodka.
No way, there. Chance, Arvan Russia.
So, Prakai, you eventually decided to join the terrorists because you saw you couldn't catch them, huh?
No, Melati. Police work pays chicken shit. So I've gone into private enterprise.
Oh, and what sort of enterprise is that?
We're in the procurement industry.
I'm going to comrade Kensalo. Yeah, hi, check.
Us, hijack is a dirty word. It's called affirmative repossession.
Ah, but come on, man. Ish, we didn't fight the struggle so that we could become criminals.
And I didn't fight apartheid to be poor either. I may be a communist, but I believe that God helps those who help themselves.
And God help us if we don't.
Nazareth. He was our hero. He left in the 80s to join the armed struggle. When he returned from exile, he had the biggest cars, the most money, and any woman he wanted.
Swara Mudidi. Like Tegaladishu.
Kishap.
Good. Because every man for himself. The wealth of the nation for